Hi guys! Today we are going to see how to get pop-ups on Shopify. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. So now let's see how to get pop-ups on Shopify. Go to the Shopify App Store. Here you search pop-up. You can observe that there are numerous types of pop-up options available. I'm selecting Pop Convert app, click on the app, and then click Add App to install it on your Shopify store. Open the Pop Convert app from your Shopify admin dashboard. I already have a pop-up app on my store, so they are showing an option to update it. You can see that the app has been successfully installed in the store. Click on Template. Here you can see that many types of templates are available. Choose the type of template you want to create pop-up on store. For example, discount offer, newsletter sign-up, exit intent, etc. I'm using this template. Customize the design of your pop-up banner using the provided tools. This usually includes options for text, images, colors, and styles. In the design option, you can change the background color, main title color, and text color. If you want, you can upload a background image or choose one from the library. Now go to the content. You can delete this text image and use any other text image. You can change the white text image and the black text image. Create these images using Canva or any other tool. Write the text according to your preference, then upload the images here. This allows you to customize your design to fit your specific needs. You can add lower text. Configure all additional settings. Now save this template and click on Publish. Now go to Pop-up. And on this pop-up, now go back and preview the pop-up to see how it will look on your store. Here you can see pop-up successfully integrated.